You know what? I remember that day when shooting teleseries. Yeah, you get so many surprises first thing in the morning. You know. So going to the set, I was already very nervous. You know, I'm gonna do scenes with Sir Joel Torre, who will come to also sa acting. And then nasa set kaming dalawa. No, nasa standby area. And then biglang pumasok si Direk. Okay, so Gab, Ilonggo ka dito ah. Sabi ko, Direk! So, surprise yun lahat. And then sabi ko lang, thank God, Bisaya ako. Kasi we have so many common words, Hiligaynon and Ilonggo and Bisaya. Thank you Lord, Bisaya ako. And then, ang kailangan ko na lang aralin is yung tono. And thankfully, Sir Joel Torre taught me a lot of Ilonggo words. Si Anthony Ilonggo actually, and then his kuya was there also. Kami talaga, there were even lines na hindi Ilonggo. Sabi ko, hindi, itodo natin to. So, nagpaturo ko, i-translate mo nga to.
Sample, Maris.
Sample. In Bisaya and then in Ilonggo.
Unsa man, like Bisaya.
Bisaya po ka, di ba? Bisaya mo po. Invite rin mo ang mga audience in Ilonggo.
Tipuga eh. Hindi mo lang marunong mag-Ilonggo, tono lang eh. Pero sa mga kapamilya dyan,
Tagalog mo na lang but with Ilonggo.
Correct.
Sa kapamilya, hindi umano ko eh. Panoorin niyo yung intro nito kasi marami pa kaming away doon ni Sir Joel Torre. Pero mahal ko talaga yung tao na yun. Kahit masama siya. I mean, yung character niya.
Tatay mo siya eh.
Tatay ko siya eh. Pero, yun lang yung alam ko talaga. Te, ama na.
Okay na. Thank you. O diba palakpakan